Adoma, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on my Honda, please help me subscribe to my channel. Click that bell notification so every time I have new video, you guys will be updated. But I'm working on my 2012 Honda CR-V here. I'm changing out the dome light here. So right now it's yellow. I'm gonna use my small flathead here. You guys can see there's like a little gap where the light is, so you're gonna shove it in there and then pop it off. There you go. Let me pop this side off too. There you go. Now I bought these online on Amazon. These are 31 millimeter and they gave me the pry clip too. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pry this out. Because I have my door open, that's why the lights is on. But I'm gonna pry them off. Oh, there you go. Drop down the cup holder. That's good. I'm gonna try to install this. My hand. And there you go. You guys can see it's a lot brighter. Much different. There you go. Now you're gonna pry the other side the same way. Pry the tip of the bulb right there. Pop it off. See, it's a lot brighter. Look at that. Shines the whole front. Now I'm gonna put these back. Line it up with the mark. And then I'm gonna pop it back in. Come on. There you go. I'm gonna put the other one too. This has a groove, so then you just press them back in. There you go. Now I'm gonna do the rear. The rear, you pop them off the same way. Right here. You pop them where the little groove is right here. You just pop them off. Here, same thing. For the rear, it's the same thing. I'm gonna pop the light off. There you go. Put the new one in. Ooh, it's a lot brighter. That's it. I'm gonna pop the cover back. There you go. That's it. So that's it. Very simple, very easy, much brighter. You guys can see, I can see a lot better than the yellow bulb. So that is it to this video, guys. So if you guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see y'all in the next video. Doma out. Peace.